Hey boss, look, this factory has a lot of material.
And their stockyard has 13,000 square meters.
Oh my god, really large!
And I heard they delivers 200 to 300 containers every year.
Wow, it's amazing! Hurry up to contact them!
Okay, boss, don't worry. I still has the video of workers working.
Sorry, it's wrong.
Look at this worker. How focused he is.
Dear me, man is most attractive when they are focused.
Besides the fountain,
They also have bird bath, table bench, lantern and paving stone.
Contact them immediately and give you a salary increase after you come back.
Thank you boss, this is really windfall. Ha 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 ha. By the way, here is the company's contact method. Save it quickly.